Hello everyone. Do you have a sudden guest coming home and want to make something special quickly? Or you live outside the country and craving for those delicious Indian bakery puffs? Today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to make crispy, flaky bakery puff at home. In this video, I will show you how to use pastry sheets in right way, how to make a quick vegetable stuffing, and also I will share tips to get beautiful golden color on top of each puffs. Come on, let's get started. Here I have taken one thinly sliced onion, and in another bowl I have mixed vegetables, carrot, beans, sweet corn and peas. In a pan add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and warm, add the sliced onions. Next I will add spice powders, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add salt as per your taste. Let masala fry in the oil. See how beautifully the color is getting released from the masala. Next I am adding 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Honestly, this is frozen vegetable. I grabbed a bag of frozen vegetable when I went shopping for pastry sheets. This is one of the easiest way to make stuffing for the puffs. Instead of chopping so many vegetables and spending a lot of time in the kitchen, you can save that time to enjoy your puffs. Look at this, our stuffing is ready. Here is my pastry sheet. To defrost the pastry sheet, I took it out from the freezer and kept it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Now it is nicely defrosted. First cut this into 3 equal parts. Next take each part and cut it into 2 equal parts. You can make 6 puffs in one pastry sheet. Next take one piece and roll it. Rolling the pastry sheets is very important. If not, while baking the puff, it can puff up too much and stuffing might spill out. Also, rolling helps to get crispy crust in the bottom just like the bakery one. Now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of stuffing to each one. To seal the stuffing, I have taken little water in a bowl, dip the finger and brush it along the edges. Just like this, do not put too much water. Close it and press it firmly along the edges. Hope you are enjoying all our Home Plate Delight recipes. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. That is a big motivation for me. Also, if you are enjoying this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up for this video and leave your comments if you have any questions or feedback. See how it is completely sealed. This ensures the stuffing won't come out while baking. Place them carefully on a lined baking tray. Make sure there is enough room between each of them. That helps baking as well as gives enough room for pastries to puff up nicely. Next very important part is to get that beautiful color on top of our puffs. Take some milk and brush it on each of them just like this. This gives nice and beautiful color. Another trick you can do is spraying a little oil on the puff during the last 3 minutes of baking. Then continue baking for those final minutes. This gives nice crust and beautiful color to the puff. Bake it for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Look at this gorgeous golden finish. Looks so yummy. Let me cut one of this and show you how nicely it is cooked inside. Perfectly cooked, so nice, crunchy, flaky puff just like bakery one. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.